What happens when you stop following the norms? You live life better. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Live Life Better.
It was fascinating to gain a glimpse into the audio options that help people get through it all in 2020. A year marked by unparalleled levels of tension and worry. Although you can usually count on an Ariana Grande banger to make you feel good, it appears that rain sounds may have been the sleeper hit of 2020, and the numbers are continuing to rise into 2023. It's no secret that rain sounds help people who have problems falling asleep. According to behavioral sleep medicine specialist Dr. Shelby Harris, rain is predictable, relaxing, consistent, and non-threatening. According to Harris, constant rain sounds can assist the brain to drift off to sleep, drown out outside stimuli, and frequently elicit a more relaxed, meditative state. Although many people use rain soundtracks to fall asleep, it is understandable why there has been an increase in interest in them during the epidemic. We have active, busy minds that are difficult to switch off, and stress levels are high, according to Harris. Going back to nature in a steady, repeating, non-threatening sound can sometimes help quiet the busy brain, the author writes. Relaxation and rain sounds. Some individuals struggle to fall asleep in utter stillness. You may have heard of folks who listen to music, the sounds of nature, or even the TV while they sleep. Pink noise is produced when individuals decide to sleep with rain noises, for example. White noise is created by combining several frequencies and makes a noise that is comparable to static. Pink noise produces a flat sound like rain by using a constant frequency. Pink noise, which is produced by rain, masks other background noises that create frequencies that may be disruptive to sleep. Your brain distinguishes between potentially dangerous and non-threatening noises. This is why you could be startled by a loud bang. The sound of rain is relaxing and is seen as non-threatening. Utilizing sounds to sleep. You can sleep better by adding noises to your sleeping environment, but you need to know which sounds are most effective for you. 1. Adjust the volume. If you utilize noises to help you fall asleep or keep you asleep, always be careful to pick a bearable volume. Never utilize loud or obtrusive sounds when communicating. 2. Pick the right sound of rain. Visit Live Life Better. Rain can sound heavy, mild, light, or thunderous, among other variations. Choose the sort of rain you want to listen to. This varies from person to person. So with that said, check out the Live Life Better on YouTube to see which sounds work best for you and get quality rest.